Breakfast sausage egg boats. Hey everyone, welcome back to Food and Fun. Today we've got a special treat for breakfast lovers. Breakfast sausage egg boats. They're easy, delicious, and perfect for a hearty morning meal. Let's dive right in. First off, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 4 large crusty bread rolls, 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup milk or cream, 1/2 cup cooked breakfast sausage, 1/2 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup chopped green onions or chives, salt, pepper, and some butter or oil for cooking. Optional veggies of your choice. Let's start by preparing our rolls. Now, onto our filling. With our sausage cooled, let's whip up our egg mixture. The fun part, filling our boats. Let's get these beauties baked. And just like that, our breakfast sausage egg boats are ready to be devoured. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you give these a try and love them as much as I do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time on Food and Fun.